Regents Hall, St. Olaf College. Oh my god, we have 400A! Sweet! Oh, hell yeah.
Floor 1.
Oh, it has the voice. Oh, this is already awesome. 4. I just know some more 400As around here. That's fast.
Floor 4.
Wow. This is a great elevator. Rear door open? Let's go to 1. It's on M. I want to see that real quick. Here's your COP, 4,500 capacity, Schindler HDVR buttons, and 88 phone. Oh, I love that startup. It's basic, but it runs really well. It's very
Floor
smooth.
M.
Ooh, I want to get a sample of that. Oh, is this the half floor? Oh, this is like a tunnel. Oh, please don't leave. Thank you. Oh, handicap accessible entrance. This was installed 2008. This is just a pure 400A. This is car 3.
Floor 1.
It's been called, and I'm going to end it here anyway. Oh, cool. There's an indicator out here. Let's see where it goes. Three. Very cool elevator. All right, that's it.